Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will create this photo gallery effect in PowerPoint. I'm going to be using 5 photos. Firstly, you're going to get your first image and crop it into this narrow rectangle shape. Then you're going to click Crop to Shape and select the curved square option. Now repeat this with all the other pictures. Make sure the center image is the longest out of all of the shapes and then bring it to the front. Once done, duplicate the slide. On the first slide, move all the smaller images behind the middle picture. Apply the morph transition to both slide 1 and 2. Duplicate slide 2 and on slide 3 enlarge the picture by clicking on crop and enlarging the points. Then duplicate slide 3 and recrop the center image to its original size. With the next image, recrop it to enlarge it to fill the area. After this, duplicate this method for all the other images.